Hi, welcome to the class. Today we do a short chapter number 9, household circuits. We are going to do the topics which are in the syllabus. As you all know that the council has reduced your syllabus for class 10. So in this chapter itself, a lot of topics have been removed. So let's begin. So the very first topic which we need to understand is this diagram. Not in a sense that you have to learn this diagram, okay? You need to just understand how the distribution of the electricity is done when it comes from the city substation and how does it reaches our homes. So from city substation we have three wires. Now this is an important point to mention. Three wires are there. These are connecting wires. The name of the connecting wires is live, neutral, earth. Live, neutral, earth. Okay. First point to remember. Then these three connecting wire goes. Now you see this live wire is connected to a fuse which is known as company fuse. So only live wire is connected to the fuse. Another point to remember is this, that fuse is connected to live wire only. Why it is connected to live wire only? Because if suppose there is some problem in the circuit, then this fuse, it has a wire. This is known as fuse wire. So this wire is known as fuse wire. So this wire is made up of alloy of tin plus lead. So the wire is made up of alloy of tin plus lead, and this wire has two characteristics. Two characteristics are there. The very first characteristic is that it has high resistance, and second, it has low melting point. And this wire, fuse wire, works on heating effect of current. So current has different effects. Heating effect of current. So this is all about fuse. You need to remember these points only about the fuse. Fuse wire made up of alloy of tin and lead, works on heating effect of current. Fuse wire has two characteristics: high resistance, low melting point. So whenever excessive current goes through this, because of the high resistance, it will not allow the current to pass through it. Because of that, heat will produce, and because of that heat, this alloy of tin and lead, that is the fuse wire, will break. Once that wire is break, since it is connected to the live wire, and this live wire carries the current, that is why we call it live wire. Neutral wire, it does not carry current, and earth wire is a safety wire. Okay, you need earth wire because whenever you have an excessive current flowing and there is a leakage of the current, this earth wire will ensure that the excessive current passes to the earth, okay, or it goes to a point where it is destroyed, and then it does not harm you. Next is your kilowatt hour meter, the normal meters which we have outside our houses. So this is being earthed. So earthed means it is connected to a point where it can send the excessive voltage or the current. Then this is important. So this switch is known as main switch. As you can see, this live wire is coming. It is connected to live and neutral wire. This fuse is connected to live wire only. But this main switch is connected to live wire and neutral wire, but it is not connected to earth wire. Then you have distribution box. So one distribution box is given in order to distribute the current in the house. So it has so many MCBs. So this fuse wire, we used to in earlier times, this fuse we used to have, but nowadays we have MCBs. So there is no much difference between MCB and fuse, or this fuse, company fuse and the MCB. The only difference is that both are similarities are both have these devices are the safety devices, MCB and MCBs are there. The full form is miniature circuit breaker. So this MCB is also a safety device. Fuse is also a safety device. We used to have these fuse in earlier times. Nowadays, with the advancement of technology, we have miniature circuit breaker. They are very quick, very responsive. And here, if this fuse wire melts, we need to change the wire again. But here, if the MCB trips down, you can easily go and trip it up again. But here what you have to do, you have to change the wire. So two differences, it is very quick and convenient. This is slow and this is inconvenient. Otherwise both have the same function, they both are the safety devices. You have in syllabus the advantage of main switch. So the advantage of using the main switch is that it breaks the connections of live as well as the neutral wire simultaneously, because it is connected to live and neutral wire both. Alright. So this is about your MCB, this is about your fuse, this is how the electricity comes, and this is about your main switch. Now, in your syllabus, you have MCB we have done already, main switch, its advantage I told you, since it is connected to live and neutral wire both, it shuts off the live and neutral wire both. Then you have fuse we have discussed. Alright, three types of wire we have discussed: live, neutral, earth. Live carries the current, earth is used for safety purposes. I also told you what are the advantages or uses of earthing a device. So whenever you have excessive current passing through any device or any circuit, this earth wire ensures that the excessive potential or excessive current does not damage the device or does not affect the person, or the person does not get any kind of electric shock when he is working on that particular appliance. So this wire ensures that the excessive current pass through to the earth. Alright. So earth I have told you already. Okay. So need of earthing, excessive current comes. This device, this wire ensures, this earthing ensures that excessive current goes to the ground. This neutral wire is obviously used to complete the circuit. You cannot have one-way circuit. It has to be, in order to have a complete circuit, you want the current to again come back to the wire. That in that manner only the circuit will be completed. So that is one thing. Okay. So this was it. Now coming to the small thing. This is a very small topic, although we have to discuss only small topics. So you have 3-pin plug, you have 3-pin plug and 3-pin socket. So you have 3-pin socket. This is live, this is neutral, and this is earth. Remember this configuration, that's it. The upper one, you must have seen this plug at your house. This is earth, left one, left live, right neutral. Now in case of 3-pin plug, there is this longest pin is there. Why this pin is the longest? Because it is earth. So why it is kept longest and the thickest? Because so that it fits into this first. When it fits into this first, because of its length, safety is taken care of. So here this keeps this ensures that we are safe, and that is why it goes in. So it goes in the circuit first. Now you have two small pins like this. So this one is live and this one is neutral. So they are connected, it is connected like this. Alright, so these things you need to remember. I told you why it is thick and why it is long. It is long because it ensures that it gets connected with this first and the safety is ensured. Alright, now 3-pin plugs we have done. So this was it, socket is there. Okay. This is discussed. Now safety, color coding of wires. Yeah, color coding of wires. So color coding of wires, if I write them here, we have 3 types of wire. Any convention you can use. 3 types of connecting wires I have already discussed with you. Live, neutral, earth. Here I write new color. The last one is old color. So if I write the old convention first, this is red. I think in the new one as well it is red. Okay, so this is brown. So this is brown. Now next you have neutral. So old convention is black, and neutral is light blue. Light blue. And this earth is green in both the cases. So I think this is old one. Yeah. So old one is green. Here you have it is green and as yellow. So these are the sign conventions. Okay, you need to remember these sign conventions. And the last but not the least is the safety precautions. What safety precautions you need to take when you are dealing with an electrical appliance? So the very first is you should not be barefoot. You should use your slippers or something, because when you are barefoot, your foot are in contact with the earth. Earth being earth completes the circuit, and if you don't wear anything which discontinue the circuit, then you may get shock. Second thing is you should not handle the circuit with your wet hands, because water being a good conductor, you may get shock. So all these are the safety precautions which we need to take. So, and your appliance should be earthed always, okay, so that excessive current passes to the earth. So this was all about this chapter. We have very small things and we need to remember these things directly. So there is no much explanation. This is required. MCB I told you, difference you know. Live wire is connected to fuse wire, because if the wire goes off, current is no more in the circuit. Main switch advantage we have discussed, because it discontinues both the wires. MCB we have discussed. Three pin plug and socket we have discussed. So this was it from this chapter. Alright, thank you.